Today I will try to make something really different than we made in the last video with this wonderful, crazy Pocket Operator office. It really can produce really mad and crazy sounds like maybe like a Moog farm or something like this. And today I'd add some Pocket Operator Robot to the office, synchronize them, and now we will listen what we will get with this composition, with this combo. Don't forget to press like and subscribe, guys. Here we go now. It can be even more faster, more aggressive way, or more slowly way. Okay, let's start to sing something. That's why I love this Pocket Operator Robot. It can sing some song here. Nice way to make some wonderful 8 or 12 bit music here. What can be better than this? Welcome to the Atonal sounds, guys. We produce here wonderful sound experiments, even with the pocket operators. And that's all for today. I hope you like this wonderful content here. I hope you press like and write a little comment below this video, just below this video. And I answer on all of your comments, guys. I love to talk with you in the comments. What do you think? Please write in the comments. Don't forget to press like and subscribe, of course, to this wonderful channel. Atonal Sounds was with you tonight.